Yes, welcome back. I see the Bunga Good Morning Naija show. If you just join us, you don't miss our top story segment. You also don't miss our newspaper headline review. But you day in time for our very first interview today. I been want enter market the other day, say make I go buy fruits, but then I put small question for my WhatsApp. I said, I bet me not so fruits don't cost, man not enter market. Begin start fight. People say they don't send me as I be fight for market. If you don't things don't too cost. 9% tell me say sit down for your house, no even enter there. Now, person gonna tell me that they say not be every food don't cost, even medicine now. I say they say medicine self don't cost. It's expected. You know how much dollar be? Things don't too tough. Now we can look and say, person they find food, you know, if you see food chop, or rather they go see food chop, you know, if you buy them. Then you go come sick on top say you know if you see food chop. Then to even buy the medicine when go help you, woo, you know fit. So now we look and say, let's say the best way now to tackle this suffering, now prevention. For hunger, oh, you know fit. Man must to chop. If you know fit, hunger go sit down one corner with cane, they wait you. But when we look sickness matter, how we want tackle them, how we want ensure say chemist, mazi kenna. Mazi Friday, I think you're getting me okay. Then no go come out the small money when they our hand. But person say go through they hear me, then go they swear for me, no verse. Now just they look at situation of things be. How we feel ensure say the small change where in our pockets, the small pension when we say government not they pay, we not go spend them on top to they buy medicine. To discuss that, I get one of Bunga doctor inside studio here with me. Yes, now Dr. Fred Unibohai. Now he day here with me. Oga Fred, good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Fred, first of all, I don't know whether I don't good to ask you because I know say you not be pharmacist, not be you they buy medicine, or not to administer.
Yeah.
But which one can be say medicine can cost like this now? Which one we hold?
My sister, the matter tire me too. It tire everybody. It didn't touch every area for our country. We do say you don't go touch medicine. Right now, you don't touch medicine. You touch food. You dey touch hospital bill. Everything for the country don't go up. And that is why I dey feel for people where be say when they're sick, medicine is supposed to buy 500 naira, you don't enter 1,000. Medicine is supposed to buy 2,000, don't enter 5,000, and people don't get money for the country. That make the thing day very hard because we know say your health they tied to the money where you get for your pocket.
Of course now.
If you don't get money for pocket, make I not lie, you go there small, make you feel live good health.
Yes.
So now you make with the talk say everybody now money no day now make you prevent your health to make you not go fall sick this period.
You said when I open the show this morning, I talk calm. Look, if I wake up 4 a.m., guess my body do me. I don't like if I go send message, I know they can't work. No, it no matter what you want to do. Because it's at the end of the day, guess as body go talk to me, say, madam, if you got this work today, I guarantee you say Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, office no go see you. Because some things, I don't go to school for they don't do tests for me, they don't see any sickness. So doctor don't tell me, say, madam, na stress, now they worry you so. But still, now not stop from to give me medicine, no. Money not come on my pocket. It come out. So if you know say you feel prevent time before you shell it. But Oga make we enter the basics.
Okay.
It be like says malaria against our constitution. Because of how everywhere are they. You understand my point? It be like any small sickness anybody gets. First thing they go say, na malaria, and then you go fall before typhoid go even enter the matter. So we could focus on malaria. This one say that the most common issue. How we feel prevent this matter? Rainy season don't come. Now their period now be this. Water go there everywhere. Gutter no they move. How we feel ensure say chemists don't go to collect our money on top of this one?
This is a very good question you asked because our people need to know. The thing we say when they talk about malaria, people no still know. Say malaria, if you enter your body, if you suck all the money within your pockets. So to prevent malaria, you get what if you do inside your house and what if you do outside your house. For inside your house, number one, if your house no get nets for door or for window, this one no be time. Ensure say you get nets for your door and for your window. The next one again, ensure say when you want sleep, use mosquito nets, which they call long-lasting insecticide-treated nets. Okay. Because some people go tell you say, heat today, I know if you sleep under mosquito net. If I sleep under mosquito net, heat go catch me. You know better say heat catch you than make mosquito enter your body. You can't go spend money for.
Because moju powder not too cost so in case you get rashes. That white powder, you know too cost to take
care of too. You know, place everywhere go come cold. Then when we know the fall everywhere hot. But this kind of period say cold one day. You know go tell me say you know.
But girlfriend, she talk that one. Person when live for inside face me, I face you. I'm saying like 20 rooms, they one corridor with one small window. They will say that cold not reach our side though. Because just outside their window, another person don't build house. Friends here, wall day there, breeze no they enter.
And that one day. But that one day. But that no mean say we will come risk our health because of malaria. You know, this we talked yesterday night, somebody still call me on top malaria, say, get my body, they do me, make I go take malaria medicine.
Hey.
I say, no, it never reach. Wait, make I face you, no, how you be. So use nets for your door, for your window, sleep under mosquito nets, then make you they use insecticide for inside house before you sleep, where you go spray, so that if you kill any mosquito inside your house. Then if you can't kill mosquito inside your house, the one where they are around your house, completely, they still come back. So what you make you do? Ensure say you clear bushes, water no day around you. Where we say if you allow mosquito, if they born, they multiply, they come back enter house. Because if you clean inside and the outside, they will still come back inside house.
I like the way you talk about nets. Because you get one time I've been live for Port Harcourt. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, give you. You get the house where we say I move inside to live that time. I won't put nets for door. My backyard get a big balcony. Okay. I won't put nets for the long balcony because just outside my fence, now get to that place. As in, you go see gutter. I don't know how people they manage, they live for that place. There. And the landlord no grill. You understand? Some landlord go even tell you, say, no, if you put nets for the door of the house, it go deface. You know, so this kind of modern house people they build now, where we say they don't buy expensive door. If they fine, they know they agree, make person puts nets for there. So if person did that kind of situation, how you want to tackle them? Because whenever we open, even when you get net, once you open door, mosquito, they escort person enter, make it remain say you never even get net at all. How you want to tackle that kind of matter now?
See, nah, I don't know how I want to put on. Whether na over sabi, I mean na two, which kind of touch life we won't live. We go put us for one chance.
Now that touch life matter, now they fear me pass.
They put us for one chance.
Honestly.
Because they even get nets, so you go put for your window, you feel still move the
nets. You feel slide down.
You feel slide down. So why people go talk say, no, if you put nets, you go deface the house. It simply means say we no understand the reason of house. House no be just for beauty. Now also for your safety. Safety for your own life, safety for your health. But people go confuse say, if you put net for here, you go deface them. No. It go help you protect you from mosquitoes. If
never since them begin sell door 150,000. Now maybe people come they look say why ordinary net of 20,000 won't come spoil show for me.
Make a no fine. If you design them now, don't say everything na idea.
No, be lie.
Design them, design your net, you go fine, you go still protect you and your picking.
People when they do product design need to start.
And then go they tell you say every time at the sick malaria, at the sick malaria.
No be lie, and they go get flour for their household.
They get everything. At the sick malaria. When you tell them say, Oga, see do this thing, go say no. Now you want to tell me my body. Now, so I did sick malaria. No, I believe say if you stay 1 year without getting malaria, and you don't even need malaria medicine. And I can't remember the last time I took malaria medicine this year, or maybe since last year too.
No, your blood group 1, and they prevent. I said, say that own blood group, not
the AS, that one day. But even if your blood group protect you, you can't go to sleep with mosquito. You go still enter your body.
Okay.
But you get what you go do. Mosquito, malaria no go near you.
It's all right. Maybe we'll just take this small break. When we come back, we'll go just discuss this matter small before we enter the last subject. So we get on top of the show today. Will they come back? Right, now still on top of this our sickness matter and how we fit take prevent some because medicine don't cost. Oh yes, it don't cost. And before we go, our doctor get wetin he wan also share with us on top of this matter. Yes, why would they talk about prevention? Person if he decides to make him go drink the malaria medicine in advance, so that when mosquito bite them, he no go touch am. That's how they work, doctor.
No, it did very wrong. Because I don't hear people tell me say, and every 3 months now they take malaria medicine. Whether malaria in my body or not, I must take them. No, it didn't.
Let me make them call an anti-malaria. That is to say to stop the malaria before it come.
No, not like that. Okay. It means say anti-malaria. This medicine not to fight malaria. Antibiotics You understand?
Yes.
To fight infection. So if you no get malaria for your body, we no confirm as na malaria. No touch malaria medicine.
Okay.
The reason be say you go call they breed resistance. When you take that medicine again, if you no work, some go can't take the medicine, go can't take oranges, go take multivitamins, go take folic acid. Those things too no good with malaria medicine.
Okay, but repeat that thing again. Look inside camera, talk and repeat them.
I beg, when you dey take your malaria medicine, in case you get malaria for body, no take vitamin C, no take multivitamin or folic acid. Say if I no drink this mineral, I no go fit take am. No, you dey spoil the power of that malaria medicine.
What's in concern mineral inside what you talk now? You say folic acid, but what you can bring mineral?
Those things, okay, so some of those minerals get something like fructose, all those things inside. We go spoil the power of your malaria. So when they say bitter, I know
if you drink malaria with some this, I know if you drink water.
So put inside eba, go put fufu. No, I beg you.
What even that eba? Oh no, they work.
No do them like that. You dey reduce them.
Producer, I beg. I'm not sure why I carry Dr. Fred on this show. I know they appreciate this kind of advice. What does that one mean?
And also now, anytime we talk like this, whether on Twitter, whether on Instagram, whether on radio or TV, people go shout. Somebody even come one day for radio, say that. I say, Oga, this is why every time you take malaria medicine. So I beg.
What's the mineral do inside? What's the about do inside malaria medicine? We okay. As you don't talk mineral, now I want avoid minerals. Okay, ma put inside low. You can't say me kuno. Okay, how low take the affect the malaria medicine?
Open your mouth, put that inside, drink the water.
If you put inside low, what's happen?
I don't know, but I know say it go spoil the power. No, see the truth is okay. Minimally, I don't know. It get why. Now the processes are very long. So if you start with vitamin C. Vitamin C gets something inside.
No, leave that vitamin C. You know they talk about, I know they take vitamin C with multivitamin and they drink malaria medicine.
Now minerals, you understand? So those minerals too get some kind of things inside. Some carbonated stuffs and inside. Those things go react.
Okay, leave mineral. If it cause jadi. I want to know what to do loy. That is swallowed now. Eba.
Okay, see now. Your body will take time to break down your eba first of all. Before your body break down the eba, for that medicine will come out. So don't take time. And remember, we need certain time for that your body to break that anti-malaria out.
Before you take the next one.
Inside the body. Before you take the next one. And you say you get time to time. So as you take your eba, so now body they work with eba. Malaria medicine never they work. Before you go work, evening don't reach.
Okay, so I come one. Because I come the quick dissolve inside my mouth. So if you make thick I come, I bury them inside the I come swallow them. That one no work.
Inside Akamu. Well, I never.
Akam they go down when and nothing they stop Akam now. Akam go just melt. You not finish inside your mouth already now.
Put Akamu. Which of the Akamu? This will get different kind of Akamu.
No, the normal no be custard do. No be you go own Akamu. That is corn.
They use corn.
They use corn do.
Millet do.
No, they use corn do.
Well. Two things. Some people go take that Akamu. They put milk inside.
So make I not put milk when they drink the one with
no do it like that.
Okay, so if one thing medicine inside, drink and plain.
Anti-malaria. I beg, take them with water.
So people like me when
with your water.
I just say one land say okay, just take the with a can, but not put milk inside. I got me solution must today because some of us and if you say it better make the medicine day inside and say make it day outside. If I take them for me time, you don't defeat it. They defeated now.
It's not about make it day inside. Now make it day inside. You do what you're supposed
but
to.
I can without milk go help now. Thick I can. That one no be yam now.
You look for escape route out.
Yeah, because say we plenty. Make we just route through to ourselves. We plenty. No be say we fit.
No, make I not lie. You not true talk. Not true talk. So if you fit, say you take your Akamu, you know put salt or I say salt, sugar.
Put sugar.
Maybe. But I never see write up about that.
How for the doctor?
Maybe later now.
What's concern sugar inside the Akamu?
When they take Akamu now, you can't say true, it get effects too with anti-malaria. But really, when I never see write up like that with Akamu and anti-malaria.
What's concern sugar inside?
We will go try.
Okay, I go just do small adverts for you. So parents, when we say that you're picking, they know they chop, they don't want to take care of themselves. Threaten them, say if they're sick, they carry them come meet Dr. Fred. Because now they laugh. See how they kind of hash matter when they carry come.
I'm laughing, and they laugh.
Dr. Fred, say you're taking this medicine, no ice cream for 6 weeks.
Yes.
You're picking go,
we threaten them like that. You go see how they go take the medicine.
Let's say we'll try to take break for here. Now, Dr. Fred, we need more high now on the talk. So I know they too appreciate this Dr. Producer next time. I beg, I don't understand, but thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Say again for our show this